Hello, my name is Peter, and thank you so much for checking out this walkthrough on how to get started with the new version of Quuu Promote. We've totally rewritten all of our apps from the ground up, and we've got some exciting new features and cool techniques and tricks to show you. After signing up for a Quuu Promote account, you'll be taken to this screen. This is our setup wizard, and it'll help you get up and running with Quuu Promote really easily. During the setup wizard, we'll be asked some questions, and all we have to do is answer them. So, let's get set up. We can begin by clicking Next. First question, how will I be using Promote? If I'm joining a team that's already on Promote, I can join the team by clicking My Team is on Promote and filling out the team invite code. I can also create a new team by following these instructions here. But for now, it's just me. So, I'm going to click It's Just Me. Next, we need to add a new site. So this is the URL of the site that we're going to be looking to promote. You need at least one site to use Quuu Promote. So, I'm going to import the Quuu blog. I can enter in quuu.co/blog. If you know the RSS feed for your site, specify it here, and we'll go there to target your website. If you don't know if you have an RSS feed or not, you can just put the URL of the site in, no problem. Once I'm ready, I'm going to click Create Site. Quuu Promote will now go out to the website and fetch some information about it and start importing articles. And just like that, everything's been sorted for me. My account is ready to go, and all I have to do is head to the dashboard. The dashboard is your one-stop shop for a general overview of how your whole account is doing. All of your promotions, how many social shares backlinks you've got, how many clicks, how many sites you're running, as well as performance over time. We can filter this down to other sites by clicking the All Sites drop-down and changing it to the site in question. Heading into the Promote section, you'll see that we've already begun importing the articles into Quuu Promote. You can see here that it's just downloading the open graph images here onto the dashboard, and you can just watch this happen. Really nice, really easy to follow, just like so. We have a lovely set of filters at the top, so you can toggle between showing all of your sites or just a specific one, for example, just the Quuu blog. You can sort between what's in your feed, what's live, what's rejected, and what's expired. And now you can sort promotions really easily just by clicking this drop down here. We can choose between what's been imported most recently to the oldest, what's got the most clicks, and what has the most shares. We've totally re-engineered our settings page as well. You can see by going into settings, we're taken to your promotion settings, and here you could change between manual mode and semi-automatic and fully automatic if you're on a relevant plan. You can also create and import new sites as well, and just like that, I've created another site. You can see all of the sites I have on my account listed below here. So I have the Quuu blog and another blog called 9 to 5 Mac. And again, once I've created it, I can go into Promote, and I could toggle between just the Quuu blog, just 9 to 5 Mac, or all sites, just like that. We can dive into settings as well for the sites just by clicking them on the table. So for the Quuu blog, I can click into it and I can change the name, the site URL, and as well as define a Twitter handle. We use Twitter handles to notify you on Twitter if someone has shared your content automatically. So in this instance, I'm going to specify Quuco as the Twitter handle. I hit Save Changes, and great, that's been applied. Same goes for 9 to 5 Mac. There we go, all formatted and ready to go. For this next bit, I've updated my account to an automatic plan, and you can see that it will unlock the semi-automatic mode and full automatic mode here, and all we have to do is just click to change the modes. So now I'm on fully automatic mode, our promotions will automatically go out for us. If I choose semi-automatic mode, we could do a one-click promotion process. But for now, I'm going to pick manual mode. When you sign up for a plan, you also have access to teams, and teams are a great way of collaborating with other people. So I begin by clicking Get Started and creating a new team. We'll call this Quuu Team. And I'm going to hit Create Team, and we're going to customize this team. Just like your account, teams need at least one site to run. So here I'm going to import 9 to 5 Mac's sister site, 9 to 5 Google. And great, we're all done. As I head into Promote, you'll see that I've got just my team's sites here. And as I flip back and forward in the top right, I can change back to my account, like so, and see all of my sites and promotions. And I can flip back to the Quuu team, like so, and see just my Quuu team's sites and promotions. Same goes for the dashboard as well. You can see my statistics here on the Quuu team. And as I switch back to my account, you can see all the statistics for my account. Once your team's configured, you can invite people to it. So head to the team section in settings, click the list item, and you can define it an image. And there we go. I've just uploaded a random team image here. And we can invite people as well to join the team by clicking the plus button and putting in their email address. If I want to close the team as well, I can do so by clicking delete team. But enough chatter, let's do some them promoting. So in the background, while I've been going through Teams, I've let some of the articles import and update their open graph image. You can see that we're really getting through it now, and we've got all of our open graph images in here. They're all looking great. So I'm going to promote some articles here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on both manual, semi-automatic, and full automatic as well. So let's start by clicking this one here. And when we click start promoting, we've got a brand new promotion wizard here. So it's very, very simple and very, very easy to follow. By default, the post category section is highlighted here, and all you have to do is just start typing. So in this instance, I'm going to type Apple. Now, when you are typing for a category, we've got some great power user features in as well. So you can either click the first item here to select it, or what you can do is